Christopher Camacho says recommended times and temperatures for smoking and then sous videing a prime rib. So there's been a lot of talk lately about sous videing and smoking, and I think Darren Wilson, I think I saw him come up. He runs a great blog or a great Facebook group on called Fire and Water about smoking and sous vide. So I recommend his group for sure if you're looking for some real good tips about stuff like this. But in general, you can, if you're trying to combine smoke and sous vide, you're adding flavor through the smoking process and you're tenderizing through the sous vide process. So you can either smoke before or smoke after, and they both have their benefits. I think the pre-smoke infuses it a little bit more, and the post-smoke it doesn't go quite as deep, but you also have the smoke on it as you're pulling it out and you're finishing it on the grill. So I usually, when I'm doing ribs or brisket, I normally sous vide it first till it's completely tender. Then I chill it fully and I put it on the grill or the smoker and smoke it long enough to come back to temperature. By the time it's back to temperature, it has a good smoke flavor and the aroma is good. And I'm outside with my friends and family and enjoying the outdoors, even though the brisket's been cooking inside for 36 hours. I still get to pretend like I'm doing a big barbecue thing. When you're smoking it either before or after, the main thing you want to make sure is that the internal temperature of the meat doesn't get higher than what you're going to be sous videing it at. If you're sous videing a brisket, or take your prime rib is a great example. If you're going to be sous videing your prime rib at 131 degrees to keep it medium rare, you don't want to smoke it on the grill until it's 150 degrees or something like that, because then it's going to be overcooked. So you'd want to make sure you take it off the smoker at 130 degrees or below. And that's the same for if you're doing ribs or brisket or pulled pork. Just whatever temperature you're going to sous vide it at, pull it off the smoker before it hits that temperature so you still get all the benefits of sous vide.